Guys, if you haven't yet, then subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon and never miss a video from Techo Friendly. So hello guys, once again welcome to Techo Friendly. So today I'm going to show you guys how to record your mobile screen in phones with KitKat Android operating system. So guys, many of my friends have been asking me to do this video because many of them are still having Android phones below like 5.0, like Android Lollipop. So right now most of the screen recorder apps in Play Store doesn't support KitKat, so all of them require at least Lollipop to record your screen in your Android phone. So today I'm going to show you guys how you can record your mobile screen even if your Android phone is of KitKat. So basically guys, what you have to do is, first of all, go to the settings, of your phone, then scroll down to security. All right, so here it is, security. Then enable allow installation of apps from unknown sources. So this basically, this what this option does is, this option allows the installation of unknown third-party apps to your system. Unknown in the sense, the apps which don't have a digital signature, or don't have producers or developer signature in it. So yeah, so enable it, just enable it. Okay, press OK. After which, what you have to do is go back to home, click on Play Store, go to Play Store. All right, so open Play Store. In Play Store, what you have to do is type on Mobizin. Here you can see that I have already typed it. So type exactly how it is written over here, Mobizin, Mobizen. So click on it. And always guys, remember, always download the first one, even it is having a rating of 4.2. This is the legit one, so don't install anything below that. All right, so click and install the first search result, click on it and install. I will put down the link in the description below, so that you can download it directly, so that you don't have to type or anything like that. Even if you want to go by yourself and install, so accept and let it get installed. So it's getting installed. So guys, if you are hearing any noise other than my instructions, sorry for that, because I'm literally sitting in the balcony of my house, because right now every other place is a bit preoccupied, so I really wanted to do this video, so I'm sitting in the balcony. So sorry for any other noises. So yeah, here it has been installed. So just open it from here, or you can go outside and open Mobizin. Alright, so let's open it. Click on it, it will open. Alright guys, so this mobile is like like 2 to 3 years old, this model, so it will be a bit slow. It might differ from your phone depending on the RAM or specification of your phone. So yeah, welcome, click on welcome. So adjusting the performance, this is a one-time process, please wait. Alright, so it is doing something, let it do. Guys, if your phone is like new and is running KitKat, so it may differ like. So here it is guys, it has been installed. So basically every time if you have to record, is what you have to do is go back to your home and open, like, yeah, so so one after you open Mobizine app, whenever you want to record, one circle will appear on the left side of your right side of your screen. What you have to do is basically uh, basically click over that thing. Here it is, you can see. Alright, so here you can see on the left side, so click on it. Alright, so let it open. So click on that, and if you want to record, guys, click on this record icon, that this camera like this. So it will basically start recording in your phone. So click on it. So here it is, guys, you can see the countdown, and my screen is started getting recorded. So basically it have started recording my screen. Alright, so here you can see a timer on that thing. Well, this thing won't be there when you compile or you extract your video. This is for you. This is the control panel, or you can even stop and start and pause it from here too. Alright, so guys, so it is now being recorded. My screen is being recorded. So let us record till like 50 seconds or 1 minute, like that. Alright, so I will show you, after that I will show you the recording or the clip. So guys, now the extraction of this video is a bit you can't just extract it from your system. You will have to basically share it via Bluetooth, or share it to another device, and then extract it to your computer or PC. Alright, so let's stop here. So let's push down the shutter and press on stop. So it will basically stop recording. So here you can see recording stop. So after which you will be given an option to delete your recording that you just did, or close or watch. So I'll show you, I'll run it on my computer and show you guys. So let's see if it recorded everything like that. So yeah, so right now let's close this. I'll show you on my computer if it worked or not. So basically, guys, before that, what I have to say is this, basically this thing, this window type icon, if you click on this, you will get an detailed settings panel, in which if you click on this gear icon, you will get a lot of video settings, clean recording mode. If you want to if you want to have internal sound while you record, you can turn on or turn off it. And basically the external sound, the sound that comes from your environment, you can even enable or disable that. So, and this note icon besides in between the star and gear will give you access to the videos that you recorded. Alright, so here it is, guys. Here you can see the video that we recorded just now. So you can basically share it from here, edit it. Mobizine is also giving a quite decent video editor, so you can also use or edit videos directly from here and extract it. Or even if you want it on your PC, you will have to click on this share icon. So one sec, I went to video recorder. So here it is, guys. This is the video recorder. Basically, you can see, you can adjust your frames or cut and crop. So I don't want to do that right now. I want to share it. So go back and stop. So basically click on this share button, and it will show you that you can also directly upload this video from that folder, alright, to YouTube. Also you can share this via WhatsApp, Gmail, everything that you want. But right now I'm using Share It. So I'll share it, guys, and then I'll show it to you on computer. So let's get into the computer. Started getting recorded. So basically it have started recording my screen. Alright, so here you can see a timer on that thing. Well, this thing won't be there when you compile or you extract your video. This is for you. This is the control panel, or you can even stop and start and pause it from here too. Alright, so guys, so it is now being recorded. My screen is being recorded. So let us record till 50 seconds or 1 minute, like that. Alright, so I will show you, after that I will show you the recording or the clip. So guys, now the extraction of this video is a bit, you can't just extract it from your system. You will have to basically share it via Bluetooth, or share it to another device and then extract it to your computer or PC. Alright, so let's stop here. Let's push down the shutter and
the screen of your Android phone, if your Android phone is running on Android KitKat. So here Mobizine is an amazing app. You really don't have to do anything, just install it and install the recording engine. You don't even have to root your phone. In fact, this phone that I showed you is not rooted. So that's it guys, that's how you can record pretty much all Android screens. This app will run on Android Lollipop and all Android versions, irrespective of the Android versions. So I hope you like my video. If you like my video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like my video, give me a thumbs down. And guys, if you have any doubt or any if you want to know about any tech related, or if you have any problems or troubles with your computer and you want to know about troubleshoot, so just put it down in the comment section below. I'll respond to you guys. And guys, if you have any suggestions or if you want me to make video on any topics, put it down in the comment section below. I'll do a video over it. So that's it guys. Also check out my channel, and if you like my content, subscribe to me, and don't forget to share this video to all those guys who want to record their mobile screen and is having an Android KitKat phone. So that's it guys. See you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.